Ready? Start. Coastal cities have inundated, farming regions are parched, ocean currents are disrupted, tropical diseases is spreading, glaciers are melting, an artificial greenhouse effect could generate countless tribulations. These are not only expressions but a strong signal to the looming danger of global warming, which will endanger the existence of humans on the face of Earth if not checked on time. Undoubtedly, global warming is the greatest challenge our planet is facing. It has far reaching impact on biodiversity and climatic conditions of the planet. Putting in simple words, global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to effect of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels or from deforestation, which trap heat that would otherwise escape from Earth. This is a type of greenhouse effect. Global average temperature has risen significantly during the past century and is still rising. The prevailing scientific view is that most of the temperature increases since mid 20th century has been caused by increases in atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations produced by human activity. Most scientists agree that planet's temperature has risen zero point 0.5 degree Celsius since 1900 and will continue to increase at an increasing rate. As a result, the world is getting warmer. The year 1990 was the hottest year in the last century. The year 1991 was the second warmest year of the past century. The consequences of the rise in temperature is being felt all over the globe. The findings of scientific research done in this field reveal that the temperature of the earth is likely to rise from 1.4 degree Celsius to 5.8 degree Celsius within a period of 100 years. Unfortunately, the imbalance which we have created between our life and earth is already showing the signs. Disasters in the form of flood, cyclones, landslides, tsunami, drought, etc. If the imbalance continues to rise, one day this will pose a question mark on the existence of this planet, as stated earlier. About the causes of global warming, most climate scientists agree that the main cause of the current global warming trend is human expansion of the greenhouse effect. Warming that results when the atmosphere traps heat radiating from Earth toward space. Certain gases in the atmosphere block heat from escaping. Long lived gases that remain semi permanently in the atmosphere and do not respond physically or chemically to changes in temperature are described as forcing climate change. Gases such as water vapor, which respond physically or chemically to changes in temperature, are seen as feedbacks. Gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect include water vapor, the most abundant greenhouse gas, but importantly, it acts as a feedback to the climate. Water vapor increases as the Earth's atmosphere warms, but so does not so does the possibility of clouds and precipitation, making these some of the most important feedback mechanisms to the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, CO2, a minor but very important component of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is released through natural processes such as respiration and volcano eruptions, and through human activities such as deforestation, land use changes, and burning fossil fuels. Humans have increased atmospheric CO2 concentration by a third since the Industrial Revolution began. This is the most important long lived forcing of climate change. Methane is a hydrocarbon gas produced both through natural sources and human activities, including the decomposition of wastes in landfills, agriculture, and especially rice cultivation, as well as ruminant digestion and manure management associated with domestic livestock. On a molecule for molecule basis, methane is a far more active greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, but also one which is much less abundant in the atmosphere. Nitrous oxide is a powerful greenhouse gas produced by soil cultivation practices, especially the use of commercial and organic fertilizers, fossil fuel combustion, nitric acid production, and biomass burning. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, synthetic compounds of entirely of industrial origin used in a number of applications but now largely regulated in production and released to the atmosphere by international agreement for their ability to contribute to destruction of the ozone layer. They are also greenhouse gases. On Earth, human activities are changing the natural greenhouse. Over the last century, the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil has increased the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide CO2. This happens because the coal or oil burning process combines carbon with oxygen in the air to make CO2. To a lesser extent, the clearing of land for agriculture, industry, and other human activities have increased concentrations of greenhouse gases. Stop.